Be it a birthday, anniversary or any other occasion, buying a gift is always a task. But how about going the traditional way by making a gift card? So today I'm going to show you how to make one but with a twist. So keep on watching. For this project, I'm going to be using printed paper. So cut out 3 squares in 20 by 20 centimeters. Then take one of the squares and in case if it's printed, place the blank side down and fold it in half vertically, horizontally and diagonally once as shown. Make the same diagonal fold on the opposite side as well. Make sure that all the folds you make are crisp. With the printed side up, fold both diagonal ends towards each other and press it down carefully. Follow the same process with the other 2 squares as well. Lay the 3 pieces of squares with the printed side up and the diagonal folds going vertical and the middle card overlapping one of the corner squares of each of the other 2. Stick it down carefully where they overlap so that the squares match. Now just press down the corner sides carefully inwards and the middle square fold going outwards. You see how when you open it up, the corner square's diagonal line faces inwards and the middle square's diagonal line faces outwards. Now to cover the blank sides of the card, I took a cardboard in 12 by 12 centimeters and a square piece of printed paper that will go over it in 14 by 14 centimeters. Stick them together and cut off the edges to give it a neat look. Make one more of this and stick it above. And for the below, add a string which will be used to tie the card and stick the cardboard over it. Now you see how it's blank and boring from behind? So I decorated it with some printed paper to make it look very finished. Then on the front side of the card, just decorate it with some pictures, stickers, quotes, whatever you prefer to add that personal touch. Then I finished it up by adding a tag on the front side which will complete the overall look. There's nothing more heartfelt than a handmade gift card, so be sure to give this a try. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.